My name is Sandy Baguette. I am the owner of Forever Beautiful here in Keller, Texas. I've been a cosmetologist for over 25 years. I started in Sacramento, California, and I moved to Texas 6 years ago. And I decided to continue with hair and makeup here. So I started with some advanced permanent makeup courses. So that allowed me to get into more of the scar camouflage, helping women with cancer, also cleft lip, alopecia, and that's just been a huge blessing. I love it. And along with always, of course, doing eyebrows and eyeliner and helping people enhance their beauty. And with that, along, of course, doing the hair, and I love to do hair as well, so I combine the two of them. I just can't express how much it makes me, just joys my heart to see people back with self-confidence and feeling good about themselves. And I love Texas because everyone here is just so awesome and friendly, and it's just been wonderful to live here now. And I love what I do. It's been an amazing journey, and I'm just very grateful.